Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install BlueStacks on Windows. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go to your browser and go to BlueStacks.com. Now you will see download BlueStacks, but you can go ahead and click see all versions. So BlueStacks 5, this is the one. You can also use this for macOS, and BlueStacks 4. So you want to go ahead and, for example, I will download BlueStacks 5 for Windows. Now for me, BlueStacks appeared on my desktop. It depends where you saved it. And what you want to do is go ahead and double click on it. Then click yes. And now it will open this up. Now we want to click install now. You can also change install location if you want to. You want to go ahead and agree, and now it will download. Now after that, after installation, this will pop up, and as you can see, it's now starting. It will load up, and now you can go ahead and use BlueStacks as you wish by downloading some applications. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.